Hi, gang. I just noticed, today is Saturday, I'm sorry it took so long, that there are some issues with the Assignmnt1 truck illustrator file. It allows you to make your assignment fine, everything's good. There is a little bit of a fluke of something that happened that's making it difficult to save as a PDF. So I'm going to use this screencast to really quickly walk you through how to save and also how to fix the problem. So the problem is that apparently there's some minuscule little artboards that were undetected, and they're causing some trouble with saving. So remember, these are our two artboards. Remember, this one was populated with the triangles and the rectangles and the circles, and you drag them over and transform them to create the exact truck that you created on layer number 2. There is the original truck that's been dimmed out. So this is leaving this perhaps empty, which is fine if it is. If you want to see the artboards themselves, I know we talked about this in class. This is the artboard tool. It's down here in the toolbar. It's right above the magnifying glass. And when you click on it, all the artboards have little tiny labels. So this one on the left that is now blank says O1 Artboard 1. This one says O2 Artboard 2. And then if you look, there's a little tiny squares that say O3 and O4. And that's an indicator that I never noticed. That means that there's some little tiny minuscule artboards that are causing our trouble. So to fix this, an easy way is that we're going to delete them. I'm going to show you another way of accessing the artboards. And that is by going up to the window, and we're going to bring down the Artboards panel. Remember, all panels come from that top menu window drop down. And then this is the Artboards panel. It popped right in. And notice it's saying there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 of them are named 6 and 7, which these are the errant artboards. We don't need them. We don't want to see them. They're actually messing us up. And I'm going to just shift click both of them and then click on the trash can icon to delete them by just clicking. And now we're left with just our regular artboards. I'm going to click on the move tool to get out of here, the selection tool. And now let's just continue with saving. So as you know, your assignment file was called Assignmnt1truck.ai. Now we need to change its name and put our name on our assignment file. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to File, Save As. And when you click on Save As, it brings up a dialog window, and it's going to help us navigate how to do this. And up at the top it says Save As, and it has the original name. And it's yellow, it's selected. This is what we are going to rename. So remember, on the requirements, I said it should be, I believe it's either 01B or just 1B. And then the last name, no spaces in between. Mine is Hale. And then you are going to notice that down here where it says Format, and your thing might be much smaller than mine. I have a lot of files on my saving it to the desktop. That's a drop-down menu. For right now, we're going to keep this as a .ai file, which is a native Adobe Illustrator file. And in fact, I think I told you maybe not to say 01. But anyway, whatever I said, it's either 1B and your last name or 01B. You can decide. Actually, make sure that you actually pay attention to the assignment. And then you just say save. Now I'm going to save it to my desktop, and I'm going to say OK. And now I want to save a PDF. So I'm going to go back up. I haven't done anything. I'm just going back up to File, down to Save As. And now I keep the name the same because the general name is the same. We just want to change the file format. So we're going to change it from illustrator.ai to Adobe, which is .pdf. And notice it changes here. It's changed right away to .pdf. And we're going to say Save. And no problems came up, no error comes up, all is good. And that's all you have to do. So I hope that helps. I know that was rather quick. If you really can't figure out the getting rid of the artboards, try it. Try it and just do it. And if you still can't save the PDF, at least save the AI and upload that to your e-learning. And I'm going to show you how to do that also. So here you are on your e-learning. It might look a little different, but if you click on your assignment in e-learning, there should be an orange button here. Now I'm saying resubmit because I've already tested this out once, so I'm going to click on that. You're going to browse to find your both files. Mine's on my desktop. Sorry, this is a little bit messy. I'm going to click on both of them. I'm going to click on one rather, and I'm going to say open. And then I can add another file, browsing again, click on the PDF this time, say open, and submit the file, and voila, it will pop up into my area where I can then grade it. So I hope that makes sense. That's the best I can do to explain everything. Good luck, and I'll see you on Tuesday.